Hello friends, welcome in my channel. My name is Anu Samwal and in this video I will show you how to make a attractive login page using HTML and CSS. So to write my code I will open Notepad++. Inside here I will write my HTML code. This is my HTML tag, or wait a minute. This is head tag and this is title tag. These three tags are necessary in all the programming of HTML coding. Okay, and every starting tag has its ending tag, so I will end all the tags first. HTML also. Now between title tag I will use to write my page name. Let it be login page. Login page. Now save it to desktop, named as lp dot with HTML extension. Okay, now I will this will look like yeah, you can see here as here it is written login page. That is our title always prints here. Okay, after title we use body tag, in where we write our coding. Inside body tag I will use input tag. Input tag is used to take input from the user. By using the input tag we get a box that where I can write my name, but it's not looking good. So before the input tag I will use a bold tag where I will write user name and close the bold tag, and uses br tag. Br tag is used for the next line, break the line. Okay, so this will look like this, and this is better than the previous one. This look better. Now for the password, save the upper format, copy, use br tag and paste it, and change the username into password, and the type should be password because we don't want to show our password. ID will be changed, PD, and the placeholder also will change. Title, password. Save it and refresh the login page. This will look like this. Here you can write your name and the password will not show you. Now I want to make the login button here. So what will be the coding? We have used input tag. Okay, after this I will use button tag. Button tag type equals to button and write the name of the button. Button name is login and close the button tag. Save it and refresh the login page. This will look like login button. So this is our simple HTML coding. We haven't used CSS coding till now because I have to show you how we make a simple login page using HTML. You can see that it doesn't look attractive. There are three ways to insert CSS into the HTML coding. The three ways are external CSS, internal CSS, and inline CSS. I will use internal CSS method to insert the CSS in this code. So before body tag I will use style tag, and between this style tag I will use all the CSS I want to apply in this. First I will apply the CSS on body. So I will write body in the brackets. Between these brackets, I will write background image. If I want to put an image on the background, the syntax is like URL back. Then the name of the this is the name of the a.jpg. Copy it, copy and paste here and save and refresh the button. But this is the picture, and this is our page where I put this picture, because I did not use the picture size, so I will use background size. This will be covered because I have to cover the whole screen. So we'll refresh so it will look like now it looks fine. Now to make my login page more attractive, I will use CSS on the diversion. The diversion has a class A, so I will use class selector for using the CSS on the diversion. The syntax for class diversion, class selector is a dot class name and the brackets. Let's apply CSS on the diversion. Take background color black. Take the width of the diversion 300 pixel and the height, let it be 250 pixel. Let me check how it looks. Save and refresh. Black box is the diversion and it is the width and height of the diversion. So put this diversion onto the center. I will use margin colon 0 space auto. By this will comes into the center of on its way. Okay, so this is not on the center, this is on the top, so I will take margin from top, let it 100 pixel and check how it looks. You can see that the username that was here and the password that we written here is not visible. So to make it visible, let me change the color of the text. Color is equal to white. Now save it and refresh the login page. Now it is visible to us, username and the password. Okay, let me make more attractive the login page. Border radius 15 pixel, so the border looks fine, and there is a main term opacity that makes transparent our page. Okay, this will make the a class diversion to the transparent. This value always less than 1. Let it be 0.6. Check how it looks. Yeah, this looks fine. Now we can see font size. I can change font size 18 pixel. Now here you can see that there is no gap between the box and the name and the text. So to make a gap, I will write padding 20 pixel. Save it and refresh the page. Now you can see this looks better, the older one. Okay, here you will see that there is no gap between username and its input box and the password input box and the login page. So I will use br tag once more at each place. br tag is used for break the line to go into next line or make a space between two lines. So save it. Now it looks much better. So now we have done all the things about the diversion. You can see the coding. This was only for the diversion box. The black shadow is the diversion box, but inside I have username, its input tag, password, login button. I want to edit these all, so these all are also inside the class A. So this will be class selector. Class selector syntax is dot class name space input and bracket type equals to type of username is text and close the bracket, and inside this bracket I will write width 200 pixel or padding from left equals to 5 pixel, height equals to 35 pixel, and border equals to 0 pixel 0, and radius border radius equals to 5 pixel. Save it and check how it looks. Yeah, now it's look fine. This is the box. Here I can write my name. Now I want to do same for the password input tag. So copy this and paste it and change the type, because for password the type is password. I have already shown. Now it looks equal. Both sides are equals. Let me change the color for attraction. White to royal blue. Now it's look better. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो. So hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.